Cleaning your home doesn't have to be a time-consuming chore that eats up your precious hours. By using effective and time-saving cleaning hacks, you can transform the way you approach household tasks, making them faster, easier, and even a bit more enjoyable. Whether you're tackling a messy kitchen, a cluttered living room, or a bathroom that needs some TLC, there are clever tips and tricks that can help you breeze through your to-do list and reclaim your free time. First, let's talk about the power of planning. Instead of randomly cleaning when you notice a mess, adopt a simple cleaning schedule. Breaking tasks into daily, weekly, and monthly routines prevents overwhelming buildups of dirt and clutter. For example, wiping down kitchen counters daily, vacuuming high-traffic areas weekly, and deep cleaning appliances monthly distributes effort and keeps your home consistently fresh. Setting a timer for each task, such as 15 minutes to tidy the living room, can also help you stay focused and avoid getting sidetracked. One of the most effective hacks is to clean as you go. In the kitchen, this means rinsing and loading dishes into the dishwasher right after meals instead of letting them pile up. When you cook, fill your sink with warm, soapy water and drop in utensils and pots as you use them. Wipe spills and crumbs immediately to prevent stubborn stains from forming. In the bathroom, keep disinfectant wipes handy so you can quickly wipe down countertops, faucets, and mirrors while you're getting ready in the morning. Multi-purpose cleaning products are another time saver. Rather than juggling a dozen bottles and sprays, choose versatile cleaners that work on multiple surfaces. For instance, a mixture of equal parts white vinegar and water can be used to clean glass, countertops, and even floors. Microfiber cloths are also incredibly effective for dusting, polishing, and wiping without the need for chemical cleaners. Their special fibers trap dirt and dust, making cleanup swift and efficient. Decluttering is an essential first step to any cleaning routine. The less stuff you have lying around, the quicker it is to tidy up. Try the one-touch rule. Anything you pick up should be put away in its proper place immediately. Use baskets, bins, and organizers to group similar items together, keeping surfaces clear and reducing the time you spend searching for things. If you haven't used something in 6 months, consider donating or recycling it. A clutter-free home is much easier to keep clean. For dusting, start from the top and work your way down. Dust ceiling fans, light fixtures, and shelves before tackling lower surfaces. This way, any particles that fall will be cleaned up as you go. Use a lint roller to quickly remove dust from lampshades, curtains, and even furniture. In hard-to-reach areas like vents or behind appliances, wrap a microfiber cloth around a long-handled spatula or ruler and secure it with a rubber band. This DIY tool helps you dust tight spaces without moving heavy furniture. Bathroom cleaning can be sped up with a few simple hacks. Spray shower walls, tubs, and sinks with a mixture of vinegar and dish soap, then let it sit while you clean other areas. The solution breaks down soap scum and grime, making it easier to wipe away. To clean your toilet, drop a denture cleaning tablet or a scoop of baking soda into the bowl and let it fizz for 10 minutes before scrubbing. For mirrors, use a coffee filter instead of paper towels for a streak-free finish. In the living room, dust electronics with a dryer sheet to reduce static and repel future dust buildup. Use a squeegee to quickly remove pet hair from carpets or upholstery. If you have hardwood or tile floors, invest in a spray mop with a refillable reservoir. These allow you to mist and clean floors in one go without the need for buckets or wringing out mops. Laundry can be made simpler with a few tricks as well. Sort clothes as you take them off by using multiple hampers for lights, darks, and delicates. Toss socks into a mesh laundry bag so they never get lost in the wash. To speed up drying, add a clean, dry towel to the dryer with your wet clothes. It absorbs excess moisture and helps everything dry faster. For fresh-smelling laundry, keep a small jar of baking soda in your laundry room and sprinkle a bit into each load. Kitchen cleaning is often the most daunting, but it doesn't have to be. To quickly clean your microwave, fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and a few slices of lemon. Heat it for 5 minutes, then let the steam loosen any grime. Simply wipe away the residue with a damp cloth. For stovetops, sprinkle baking soda over any spills. spritz with vinegar, and wipe clean once the fizzing stops. To keep your refrigerator smelling fresh, place an open box of baking soda on a shelf and replace it every 3 months. When tackling floors, vacuuming in slow, deliberate rows is more effective than quick passes. For tile grout, make a paste of baking soda and water, spread it along the lines, and spray with vinegar. Let it bubble for a few minutes, then scrub with a brush for sparkling results. Use doormats at every entrance to catch dirt before it gets tracked through your home, and remind family members to take off their shoes indoors. To keep windows spotless, clean them on a cloudy day to avoid streaks. Use a mixture of vinegar and water with a microfiber cloth and wipe from top to bottom. For window tracks, sprinkle baking soda, spray with vinegar, and scrub with an old toothbrush. This lifts built-up grime with minimal effort. For quick overall tidying, use the basket method. Grab a laundry basket and walk through each room, collecting out-of-place items. Return everything to its proper location at the end. This method helps you declutter quickly, making cleaning more manageable. Finally, remember that a little maintenance goes a long way. Spending just 10 minutes a day on light cleaning keeps your home consistently tidy and prevents marathon cleaning sessions. Get the whole family involved by assigning age-appropriate tasks. Cleaning is faster and more fun when everyone pitches in. By integrating these effective and time-saving cleaning hacks into your routine, you'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your home. With smart strategies and a few clever shortcuts, you can conquer messes and clutter, making cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a simple part of daily life.